When done properly, open houses can have a big impact in your business. Here are some important numbers to consider. 30% of open house visitors will buy a house within 90 days. Also, open houses are the third most common way consumers find a listing agent. An open house is essentially a networking event packed with visitors in your target market. It is, in essence, a golden opportunity. Here are a few more facts you should know about open houses. They're not always easy to plan and manage. In fact, open houses can be difficult for the seller, expensive for the agent, and time-consuming for everyone. And most homes are not sold to people who come to the open house. In fact, less than 10% of homes are sold through open houses.